Good morning, children. We are getting information from the natural realms of the earth. Already we got information about the some of the realms are there, like lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. What are the realms are there on the earth? Already we got it. Some of the work done by the two elements are there. These are one is water, another one wind. Already we studied about the what are the work done by the wind through the weathering, erosion, transportation, deposition. This kind of information we got it. What done is there by the wind. Today we have learned about the work of water. One of the work it was done by the water. Work of water. It is one of the activity by the water. So in these conditions, already you know very well about the rivers. It was originates from the mountains. It is very height places. Origination of the rivers very height of the mountains. Then also when it flow from the height places, uh, it has a very high speed. Then it was cut the some of the rocks and soil. Then also some of the things made by the this in this process. Already here given the work of a river begins from its very source in the high mountains. The rivers move a great force in a cutting the mountains vertically. Vertically means like this, top to bottom. So, in this result, as a result, a deep valleys develops like the V-shaped valleys. When it was a flow from the height of the mountains and comes down with very high force, then also it cut the some of the rocks and some of the soil. So in the situations, mountains are cut. Already here given, the rivers move a great force in cutting the mountains vertically. As a result, a deep valleys are there. You know very well about the what are the valleys are there. For example, it has a more than valleys look like a V-shaped. This is a V-shaped valleys are there. What are the V-shaped valleys? It was made by the rivers through the great force. Look, children, this is a V-shaped valleys. V-shaped valleys. It was made by the rivers. Rivers are flow with great speed. Then also this kind of landforms or rocks cut look like this shape V shaped. Already here given slopes and it exerts a great force in cutting the mountains vertically. As a result, a deep valley develops, narrow at the bottom and wide at the top. This is usually called V-shaped valleys. Already we are seeing here this is a V-shaped V-shaped valleys. In the situations, in these conditions, some of the landforms formed are made by the water bodies like the canines. Canine. means of canine. A canine is a characterized by the steep like side slopes and maybe a deep as a gorge. First of all, you should know about the gorge. It is a gorge. A gorge is almost equal in width at its top as well as its bottom. What is the width of the top place of the gorge? At the same width it is in the bottom, equal heights are there. So it is very deep, with a deep of the very deep length of the canines. It is a Grand Canyon. It was made by the rivers great force. Rivers are move with great speed. Then also rocks are cut like this. Already here given some of the information. Biggest canyon in the world is on River Colorado. The Grand Canyon in USA is 466 kilometers in length. Its depth is 1.6 kilometers and width is 188 meters to 29 kilometers are there. It is a canyons, very deep length, deep of the canyons, very more much deep is there. Already here given one question is there, children. Gorges are suitable for the construction of dams. Gorges are very suitable for the to constructing of the dams. You know very well of the dams. What is the construction to build across the rivers? That is we call it the dams. Dams are useful for the to store the water, to stop the flow of the water. So that is a dams, you know very well, children. Some of the gorges are there. Already here given the Bison Gorge. It is in the AP. It is on the river Godavari. The Bison Gorge. It is on the river Godavari. Next one, Indus Gorge. It is in the Kashmir. Both are the very best example for the gorge. It is very suitable for the to construct the dams. The river cuts a very narrow valley. The sides are so steep that gorges are formed. The Bison Gorge in AP on the Godavari. Indus Gorge in Kashmir are examples of this. These are both are good examples for the gorges. Look children, it is one of the good example of the work of the water. Through the work of the water, some of the things it made by the work of water like canine and gorges, and it is very depth when we compare to the with the gorges. Gorges are very suitable for the to construct the dams.